Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle.
Polo Life 1.0 TSI at 95 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in this stunning smoky grey metallic finish. As you can see, it's got a stylish exterior which surely will captivate head-turning looks on every travelling occasion. We have the 15-inch Essex'alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, offering a stylish look to this vehicle. You have the power folding mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, great for places like shopping centres. Some space in the back there for shopping whilst travelling. As you can see here, you also have additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. We have ISOFIX points in the back for rear child seats, making this a fantastic young family vehicle, and USB-C inputs for fast charging in the back. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display. We'll touch on this soon. Panning around, you can see we have the titanium black and ceramic interior upholstery, creating a really stylish look, and an upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like our driving data, audio and our telephone. As we see over on the left hand side as well, we also have the adaptive cruise control which will keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. Over the infotainment screen there's a wide array of different options, and going into navigation you are prompted to purchase this at additional cost. However, going into App Connect you get access to the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to safely display your phone directly through the car to access features like Google Maps or Waze navigation, so now you have a navigation screen directly on the infotainment screen. We have our Park Pilot, which is our front and back parking sensors. The upgraded part to this car is the front parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. As you can see here, you can press the button or simply pop the car into reverse. Going into telephone, we can also make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth, a great addition to the vehicle as you don't need to touch your phone whilst driving. Alternatively, you can use App Connect as a centralised hub.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.